Hi there! In today's video, we'll be discussing how to use artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, to create your own trading strategy. We'll start by writing a Pine script, which is a programming language for TradingView. Then, we'll ask ChatGPT to create a script based on the SMI20 indicator, where any positive change in price will trigger a buy signal and any negative change will trigger a sell signal. We'll also set a stop loss at 1% and a take profit at 2%. However, please note that artificial intelligence isn't always perfect, so we'll have to carefully review the results and make any necessary adjustments to ensure the strategy is effective. So, join us as we explore the power of ChatGPT in creating a custom trading strategy. Now, we will copy this script and go to TradingView. I will put the link in the description. Here you should click on Pine Editor below. A blank page will appear for you, and do not forget to add this word, because artificial intelligence does not add it automatically, so you must add it yourself. Then you will paste the code and click on the Save button. Now, look at the red word at the bottom. It is error message, so what will we do in this case? We will copy that error and paste it into the ChatGPT and ask, "Can you fix this?" Then I will press Shift and Enter, and we can see here that it apologizes for this mistake and will fix it. However, please be cautious, as artificial intelligence is not always perfect, and you may need to correct some mistakes. Here, we see that the code was written again for us to try. I will copy the code again and paste it in the same place after clearing the previous code. Now, let's press Save. As we can see, another error has appeared. We will copy this error again and ask ChatGPT to fix it. After completion, we will copy the code and paste it into TradingView after clearing the previous code. Then, we will press Save. Another error appeared, so we will repeat this process until all these errors are fixed. Here, we notice that the code has become larger. Now, we will put it here again and click on Save. As we can see, it is ready, and the word Done appears. Finally, we will click on the word Add to the chart. Now, it appears to us in this way after adding the code. I will put this code in the description if you want to use or try it. As we can see, the profits achieved from this point are approximately 1%, and this is for the long term. The long is for the rise, and the short is for the descent, and you can apply it on all platforms. If we go and press the Strategies Tester now, it will show us the total of 100 deals and the approximate average profit for them. Here, we see that the profit is 11%. Of course, you should not rely entirely on one strategy, but you can add more or modify this text according to your desire. Remember, this method is only an assistant for you in trading and not something for you to rely on completely. Let's move to the OKX platform to show you how to apply this strategy there. Now, I have divided the screen for you to see how we will apply it. First, you need to log into the platform. Then, click on the word trade and choose spot trading. Here, we have Ethereum, but we have chosen Bitcoin, so I will change it. Or we can do the opposite. I will apply the explanation to Ethereum. As we can see, the chart in TradingView is the same chart in OKX, but on the 30-minute frame. So, we will choose the 30-minute frame here as well. Now, as we can see, they have become the same chart. Here, in TradingView, the strategy tells us that it has become long or bullish. You can set the amount in the other platform and trade according to the analysis of the script and also your personal analysis. Let's assume that you bought from here. You will wait until it goes up to here, and you decide to take your profits. But, you must specify tick profit and stop loss in order not to lose all your money in the event of a sudden market reversal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Peace.